Namaskar. Today we discuss about botanical garden. Student, these botanical gardens are very different from other gardens like public garden, park, etc. Used as a aesthetic value, and botanical garden is used for special purpose. Special purpose, म्हणजे दोन्ही गार्डनमध्ये फरक आहे. एक गार्डन जे आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या शहरामध्ये दिसते, जसे की आपल्या इथं कुसुमगंध गार्डन आहे, आलं का लक्षात, आणि मोठमोठ्या सिटीमध्ये असणाऱ्या पार्क ह्या वेगळ्या आहेत. आणि बोटॅनिकल गार्डन म्हणजे जी आपली छोटीशी आपल्या कॉलेजच्या समोर आहे ती बोटॅनिकल गार्डन. दोन्हीत तुम्हाला फरक लगेच लक्षात आला असेल. हे नेमकं काय आहे आणि कशासाठी हे आपण आज बॉटॅनिकल गार्डन ह्या चॅप्टरमध्ये पाहणार आहोत. बॉटॅनिकल गार्डन इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटी बाय द इन्स्टिट्यूट्स or any other institutes, colleges, universities, etc. And public garden is completely for the public use. So, use of botanical garden is very different, and botanical garden is a very different aesthetic value plus the education. This education is most important part. Botanical gardens are the place for cultivation and observation and their conservation of the plants from various places, various botanical interested places which they have to be cultivated. Most of them importance is that in addition to this aesthetic value and recreation like public garden, more importance in academic values. Usually their utility, that means use and role in ecological balance, horticultural use and taxonomical research, as well as practical use in daily working days. In short, it is functioning as a nurseries or a refuge of many extinct, endemic and endangered species. It is the shelter place for such a species and multiplies by scientific basis and try to set in natural habitat with labeling of all informational data for researchers and public awareness also. During 19th and 20th century, botanical gardens developed for improvement of the plant to the characteristics and release many varieties of horticultural importance. It is also provide a herbarium specimen used for modern taxonomy and experimental botany. It becomes center for study of economic importance plants and acclimatization of cultivations or cultivars. Role and significance of botanical garden. What is the role, particularly these gardens, in our daily life? Botanical garden serves as a repository place. We look at here, the word repository is most important for endemic, endangered and exotic species. Endemic and endangered means the plants which are way in the extinct, and rareness to restriction in the areas. Such plants are endemic and exotic species. Another one is it is very safe place for conservation of rare and endemic species of country and worlds also. It is a center for germplasm collection of important economic, commercial, ornamentals, drugs plants, medicinal plants, and their wild progenitors. That means it is very important that wild progenitors are deposited and well conserved only in the botanical garden, not in the public garden or other parts. Next one, this is a center to promote education program and research in ornamentals and horticultures. You know ornamentals and horticultures. Ornamentals means ornamental purpose of plants, and horticulture means the plants generally used either in floriculture or fruit culture. Next one, it is a place for to develop different plants for regeneration and afforestation program. It develops plants used as a food, fodder, bioelectricity and biofuel generation species. Such species are conserved then. Such all types of the species and plants are grown in special conservatories, even also in the greenhouses and in the control form is most important. It is a it can be create awareness about the values of tree and other interesting plants in landscape. Gardens organize flower shows, foliage and plant shows regularly, which help the people in that area and even also for the students and teachers, other faculty members. Then it is also a importance that exchange the plant material in the form of viable seeds, seedlings, saplings for their use. Botanical garden can induce new economically useful plants in the country. It becomes as a data bank or book for information and documentation of species in garden for country. It can be supply the materials essential for laboratory in university, colleges, schools and research labs. This is the most important part in the botanical gardens, which has to be role and signify the specification other than the other gardens like public gardens. Botanical garden is not a place, not a visitor's place, but it is a educational place, just like the classroom, just like the laboratory in our college. Again, we find out that our botanical garden, which built in front of our college, supply hundreds of materials for daily practicals. Say, for example, the plants like Rubiaceae exora for the family writing as well as for the morphological writings. Such a number of things. Say, for example, for daily routine practicals, we use the hydrilla, we use aloe vera, we use the another plants. All these plants are cultivated in our garden for the laboratory purpose and daily practical use. This is the difference in our house garden as well as in our particular botanical garden. So development of the botanical garden is a prime importance in the taxonomy, where all the plants which are started to extinct and in the way of extinct and becomes rare. Rare, that means in small areas. In small areas, restriction distribution of the plant, just like I collected Aponogeton satarensis only from the Maushik plateau and the Kars plateau. Another one is Visneria. Visneria is a plant only collected from the Konkan region, a Devgarh. There is no any place where such plants are observed. Garden. So botanical garden is one of the most important creation by the educational institutes and educational colleges or universities. Thank you.